Draw an obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. Find the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of each triangle. Where does the point of concurrence lie? Here, first we will draw whatever asked, that is, draw an obtuse angle triangle. I am drawing one obtuse angle triangle. Take scale, take any measure as base and mark it as B and C. Next, obtuse angle, acute angle bends towards the base and obtuse angle bends outside the base. So here B bends outside the base. So I am taking, or more than 90 degree. One angle should be more than 90 degree in obtuse angle triangle. So I am taking 110 degree here. Obtuse angle more than 90 degree. So one angle is more than 90 degree. And this is 110 I am marking. Any measure you can take more than 90 degree. So mark it as A. Triangle ABC is an obtuse angled triangle. Okay, and after drawing this, here it is asked, find the point of concurrence of angle bisectors of each triangle. Means here only one triangle drawn and one more triangle is remaining. Now in this triangle we will draw angle bisectors of all points, all angles. So here we have three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, and all three angles we will bisect. We will draw angle bisectors. So how to draw angle bisector? Already it is studied. So take small arc with any measure, keep on point A and cut the arc, and wherever it meets, take the measure of those points, intersection points, and with this measure take the intersection point. With this measure keep on first point and cut the arc. Similarly this side, cut the arc, and wherever it meets, join this point. Here it meets, correct? So from A to that particular intersection point, set the scale properly and join this. This is the bisector of angle A. Similarly, draw the bisector of B. Take one small arc and cut angle B. Don't disturb the arc here. Next, take the measure of these two. After taking, keep on intersection point and here. Now wherever it meets, from that point to B, draw the bisector. Next, draw bisector on C. Take small arc and join and take the measure of this. After taking this measure, keep on that point and cut arc and join to C. This point and this point. So actually it should be meet. All three points should be meet. This is the angle bisector of C. Now See, the first angle bisector is this, second angle bisector and third angle bisector. All three meets in one point, and mark this point as I. This is called point of concurrence. Find the point of concurrence of angle bisectors of each triangle. So first triangle angle bisector is this. And what is the question? Try to understand again. Draw an obtuse angle triangle. Find the point of concurrence of the angle bisector. So angle bisector is here. Where does the point of concurrence lie? This point of concurrence lines lie inside a triangle. Inside a triangle. So similarly, one more, that is right angle triangle. This I will draw. I will draw one right angle triangle here. Take one base, mark it as QR. Next, keep protractor. Right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. 90 degree. Join this. And mark 90 degree. Right angled triangle PQR. Now we will bisect all the three angles. Here we are getting three angles, so we will bisect. So how to bisect? Take small arc and cut. Take these intersection points, measure. Keep on this point and cut the arc, and keep on this point, cut the arc. Wherever it meets, join those 2 points, R and this intersection point. Set the scale properly here from R to intersection point. This is angle bisector. Next, cut arc, cut angle P, or you can draw like this also, and no problem. Here, take this measure and keep on this point. Keep here and cut the arc. Similarly, keep this side and cut the arc. Wherever it meets, join to P. Next, one more angle, that is Q. Take small arc and cut the arc. Take these two measures. Keep on this point and cut by keeping on both the sides. Now, wherever it meets this point and Q, see, Q and this intersection point, drag. So where it meets, three bisectors, first bisector, second and third meets at one point, mark it as I. This is point of concurrence. So now see the question. Draw an obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. So drawn both. Find the point of concurrence. Here the point of concurrence, and in this is the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors of each triangle. Where does the point of concurrence lie? So both are lie inside the triangle. So write the conclusion. The point of concurrence, the point of concurrence of the angle bisectors in obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle lie in their interior. Interior means inside the triangles.